So everything got installed. It's running good. The new trap, new check valve down there. Hard to see because of the shadow. So one thing I forgot to add. I just came across it now. Clearing the codes. Doesn't seem to clear the lean code. So in my case, I had to reset the adaptations. If you don't have a scanner to reset those adaptations, simply just pop open the fuse box. ECM fuse is right there. The number 10. Pull that sucker out for 20 minutes or so, and then put it back in, and you should be fine.